Hi. Sorry you can't hear us. We're joined with my sister Holly 123. And together we're doing a try not to lagh. And together we're doing a try not to lagh challenge. We have 5 lives, so let's get to it.
We kinda thought that if for some kinda reason you can't stay in your home, it's kinda right that we cover the cost of accommodation for you and your pooch. It's the kind of thing we like to do.
Yeah, it's rewind time.
I'm gonna prank my dad.
What do you got there?
Oh, snack.
What?
From the Manatee County Fair, Linda Carson, ABC7. Would you not eat my pants? Ah!
Right into your mind. Deja vu.
What would you do if there was a child right in front of you?
Hey kids.
Call me on my cell phone. Late night when you need me.
You are unattractive in the face region. You are your father's offspring because he is ugly as well. Dab.
We had a lot of wind yesterday, but at least we didn't have a tornado. But it looks like there's a tornado out there right now. But don't worry, it's a good tornado. Are you ready, Larry? This is going to be delicious. This is a candy corn tornado. Yum, yum. Yeah, that was corny.
His father delivers meat to that's amore.
Sure, let's have dinner in a restaurant's kitchen. Maybe we can have dessert in the restroom.
Right, Hank, you're not understanding.
Ancient coral forests are clear-cut by greedy fishing companies.
The day you walked away, you were the clock that was ticking in my home. Changed my state of mind.
Ladies and gentlemen,
love so hard to find.
We got him.
Your feelings changed like the weather.
To the dogs.
That's got to be the best parrot I've ever seen. So it would seem.
Travis, I was curious, speaking about pants here, how do you keep your pants up when you're performing? It's incredible. Built.
I caught up with Chelsea and Michael, who were jogging by and were nice to just stop for a quick second. And I said, what are you doing running? And you're saying it was really good out?
It's the perfect texture for running. Very low impact on its dry snow so your feet don't get wet.
All right, thanks. We've seen a lot of people out here, like you said, running, sledding, just enjoying it. One thing, oops, that can happen, unfortunately.
Magic.
Van begin november. 2, 1.
I have lied once and Holly 123 wins, so goodbye for now. I have lied once and Holly 123 wins, so goodbye for now.